Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek that I'm super stoked about. This is by my all-time favorite artist, Mandie Manzano. Oh my gosh, I love her work. This is called When I Lost You by Mandie Manzano. It is a 16.9 centimeter by 16.9 centimeter or 27.6 inches by 27.6 inches. You can tell by the blue writing here that it's going to be a square kit. We have our image here. Oh my gosh, it's so stunning. And stay tuned because I actually reached out to Mandie Manzano and I asked her what her inspiration behind this painting was, and it's kind of an interesting story. But this part of why she's one of my favorite artists, because she always has a reason or a feeling behind every painting she does, and she's just so cool. So let's get into it here. The top of the box is a render, or like an image of the rendering around the whole box here. On the back we have basic how-tos, what it contains, what the kit contains. We have a thumbnail picture here. It has 49 colors, including 4 ABs and 4 fairy dusts. Total diamonds is 78,961. Woo! Goodness. And on the bottom we have our thumbnail in case you like to store your paintings before you work on them. Like by stacking them up, you could easily tell, what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. As you can tell, I'm super excited. As you know, I hope you all are having an awesome day. Okay, and this kit is going to be releasing this Saturday. Oof, okay. Put this box over here real quick. And we're going to go ahead and take this stuff out. We have our toolkit. We have our thank you card thing. Take out the diamond painting. And here is our collectible card here. It looks like this one might be bronze. So this is like a trading card or an extra additional collection or rewards program. You can collect so many of these and redeem rewards. You can check out more details at Diamond Art Club's website, diamondartclub.com. But there's different rarity levels for each card. But they're just also a nice little keepsake. On the back it has the scratch off, so you could redeem that as well. But you can redeem it for all sorts of gift cards. I think there is even a tier for custom diamond painting. So yeah, check that out on their website. Let me find somewhere to put this box here. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the toolkit here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in just a smidge. And this is their upgraded toolkits, which are awesome. If I can get them out of here. Okay, so we have a tray or putty. There's the pen. All right. So you have extra baggies to store your drills in when you're done, or if that's how you choose to kit up, you can do it that way. We have the self extension putty pen thing. It's where you twist it just a little bit. It has a delayed effect, so don't twist it a bunch. Right when you feel the tug, just stop and wait. Just trust me, because I think that everyone wants to keep twisting. It's not coming out. I can't see it. But if you twist a bunch, it's just delayed. It's all going to come out, and it's crazy. And you could twist the opposite way to refill it with extra putty that they also send. Oh, this is in a nice little Ziploc baggie now, too. All right. And then it has the cap, of course. And it comes with the 4-placer, but that is interchangeable. You can use a metal tip or different sized placer. This is their new and improved upgraded tray here. Now, if you don't like that twisty putty pin, they also send a pink wax if you prefer to use that, and an extra multi-placer and a single placer if you have the pink pen and prefer to use that method. And this is their upgraded tray. They're much larger. The ridges are taller. It has a really clean feel to it. And it comes with the stopper here and the lid. And there are grooves on the tray here. If you could see, there's like a little bit of a rise. So if you have multiple trays, you can actually stack them up on top of each other. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now let's check out this welcome pack. This will consist of our colors. And this has tips and tricks and QR codes directly to their Facebook group. A discount code, save 20% off your first purchase. I also will have a link in the description of this video. If it's your first time purchase with Diamond Art Club, you can save a little bit and I get a kickback as well because it is an affiliate code. You have the tips and tricks, kit contents, some instructions. And then inside of that are our colors or individual labels for when you kit up. So this is a picture of the original artwork. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh. She is such a talented artist. I love it. Now this is individual stickers, like I said, to you can use them to kit up your painting. Sorry about my scratch there. My cat got me. So you can see at the end here where they add their fairy dust. If it has a Z in front of it, it's their fairy dust. And they also have ABs listed with the AB in front of the DMC and all the stars here. That looks like the Hamilton star. And I don't know if you all know this too much, but I'm obsessed with Hamilton. So yeah, we have our regular symbols. I love that they have them individualized into stickers. It makes the kit up process much easier. All right, now the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and then I'll work on getting it flattened out. And we'll look at the drills individually, and I'm going to tell you what Mandie Manzano said about like what she was going for feeling wise with this painting. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Okay. This is so pretty, and it gets me in the feels because of her story. So oh wow, I don't know if you can see all these little swirlies in this woman's dress here. It's just so stunning. So, okay, let me just flatten this out real quick, and then I'm going to tell you what Mandie said. So just a second. Okay, I have it flattened out a bit here, so you can see all the beautiful colors in this. So, like I said, the painting's called When I Lost You, and I asked Mandie what her, inspiration was or what she was thinking when she created it, and it was actually a song written by her friend. And she asked Mandie to sing the song for her, but Mandie won't give me the clip of her singing because she's a shy singer, which is fine. You can only ask so much from these beautiful, talented artists. Plus, I was super starstruck when I talked to her anyway, so, she doesn't know that I'm going to make her my best friend yet, but I'm gonna. Anyway, so it was a song written by her friend about her losing the one she loves. And so Mandie sang the song and recorded it for her, and also made this piece to also capture the feelings of losing the one you love. And I think she nailed it. It's beautiful. She said it can also be interpreted as losing, a loved one, someone close to you, anyone. And I'm sure most of you know, literally, my dad just died at the beginning of September. And it was so much harder to deal with than I thought it was. But I'm not going to make this unboxing video a super sad, thing. But this painting hits home for me in many, many ways. Because, my dad was the first one in my life that has ever really passed away. And it was so sudden and unexpected. And so the feelings are hard. She said you can think of it like, you see this beautiful sunset, but you know that it's going to disappear. The feeling that you're never going to be able to talk to this person ever again. I don't know. I don't want to make us all emotional, but this painting means a lot to me, and I feel honored to be able to open it for you all. Whew. Okay. Now we gotta swallow the sadness here. Whew. Let's get into the colors real quick before I start being a blubbery mess. But yeah, let me know if you can relate to this as well. And I'd love to hear your stories. So we're going to look at the different colors here. Okay. So we're going to look at them one by one as well. But here is the whole layout. Lots of beautiful different color fades. And there's a bunch of fairy dust and ABs. So I'm interested to see how they all come together. So here's the 3765. Let me zoom in just a little bit. 3765 here. Then we're going to go strand by strand. Okay, So we have 3842. Looks like we have 3 bags of 310. 803 720 562. A big array of colors here. 3341. And here's a fairy dust Z743. Beautiful yellow. We have 2 big bags of Z743. Then we have our AB5200. Beautiful, like white, shimmery, beautiful. All right, we have Z964. We have another fairy dust here. We have 2 bags of 918. 745, another yellow. 2 bags of 745. 301. 722, and 2 bags of 742. So there is that strand. All right, and here we have, this one. We have 336, 3776, 300. We have 2 big bags of 815, 400. This is like a lime green color. I think it's coming off yellow on the camera, but we have 2 big bags of 165, 2 bags of 920, 2 bags of 3848, 2 bags of 814, 721, Z959, another fairy dust. Beautiful. 3849, 2 bags of 3849. Ooh, 2 bags of AB3819. Beautiful. Okay. We have 2 more strands here, it looks like. We have 3857, 993, 948. Here's an AB, orange, beautiful. AB741, 3371, 3348, 733, 823, 772, 930, 924, 561, 826. Ooh, another blue fairy dust. Look at this, Z3766. That's beautiful. 775, 3838, 732, 413, AB321. Pretty. All right. Oh, this is a tiny strand. All right, we have 958, 754, and 3765. So we have a beautiful array of colors here in this painting. As you can see, the top corner shifts from like a darker blue to a lighter blue. And of course, her signature is, I kind of think of them as like stained glass, these black lines going off. I always start like a section doing her black lines first and then filling them in between. But you have blues up here. It fades into green and then to yellow. It's so pretty. It does remind me of stained glass. I love her color shifts, and I love the bottom of her dress. Let me turn this lamp off here real quick. I love the bottom of this dress, the details in that. It's just like the colors, you know, put me in my feels too. I don't know. This one definitely speaks to me. It's so stunning. I'm gonna zoom in for just a minute here and show you the drill field. So here is her hair. As you can see, it's all sectioned off by her black lines. And then we're gonna get down to her dress here. The detail, even in the lighter colors here. Oh my gosh. It's kind of like stained glass lace. It's so, so beautiful. So that is her dress. Let's move over to the long part here. It's just stunning. You imagine this framed in your house? Because I can. Anyway, so now that I'm an emotional wreck, I hope you all enjoyed. Again, this is going to be releasing this coming Saturday, which is tomorrow, the 23rd. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you join their VIP group so you can see what's coming up next. This does have the perforated plastic as well, in case you're wondering, which you can use, or you can use release papers. But yeah, it comes up if you like to use that. Anyway, no red lines either, so there's that. Join their Facebook group. If you're brand new here, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up on your way out. And yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time, everyone. Bye-bye.